Most people buy this category wrong, not because they chose the wrong product, but because they bought it for the wrong reason. There are one or two things that actually settle this decision, and they almost never appear in the headline spec. Think about the actual moment you will reach for this. Not the unboxing, not day one, the third weekend, when it just needs to work without you thinking about it. That is the bar. The Keychron K2 75% layout Bluetooth wireless mechanical keyboard super switch white LED backlit / USB-C anti-ghosting and key rollover 84 keys gaming keyboard for Mac Windows version 2 is built around Keychron K2, a 75% layout 84 key white LED backlight compact Bluetooth mechanical keyboard. The ultimate keyboard that retains shortcut and arrow keys. Inclined bottom frame makes the K2 more comfortable to type even without a palm rest. That is the thing that separates it from what is sitting next to it at a similar price. It is not trying to be everything. It is trying to do this one thing at a level that earns its place. The first feature worth understanding is Keychron K2, a 75% layout, 84 key white LED backlight compact Bluetooth mechanical keyboard. The ultimate keyboard that retains shortcut and arrow keys. Inclined bottom frame makes the K2 more comfortable to type even without a palm rest. In practical terms, that means you are not buying the product to get a result. It absorbs the friction that usually slows you down. The second is connects with up to 3 devices via Bluetooth and switch among them easily. With the latest Broadcom Bluetooth 5.1 chipset, the K2 is best to fit home, office, and light gaming use while connecting with your smartphone, laptop, and iPad. It also has wired mode with USB Type-C connection. This one looks minor on the spec sheet, but it is the thing you notice every single time you use it after the first 2 weeks. And the third is, with a unique Mac layout, K2 gaming keyboard has all necessary Mac function keys while compatible with Windows. Extra keycaps for both Windows and Mac operating system are included, which is more useful than it sounds until you actually need it. Together, those 3 things explain why this one has the reputation it does and why it keeps showing up in comparison lists 2 years after launch. What the listing will not tell you is that with the Keychron Super Mechanical Brown Switch providing unrivaled tactile responsiveness with up to 50 million keystroke lifespan, charming white LED backlight with elegant keycap legends helps to type in down environment. You can also choose static white backlight mode. That is the thing buyers consistently flag after extended use, and it is actually more useful in practice than the spec alone suggests. Here is where I have to be straight with you though. K2 can last up to 72 hours typing or up to 7 days normal use count 8 hours per day with a 4000 milliamp hours big battery, which is one of the biggest in mechanical keyboard. Rollover NKRO on wired mode or 6KRO on wireless mode. If that does not match your situation, there are better options, and I would rather you know that now than after you open the box. People who have used this long term consistently mention with the Keychron Super Mechanical Brown Switch providing unrivaled tactile responsiveness with up to 50 million keystroke lifespan. Charming white LED backlight with elegant keycap legends helps to type in dime environment. We could also choose static white backlight mode as something that keeps them loyal. The people who left critical reviews mostly bought it for a use case it was not designed for. I cover one of these breakdowns